Hey, Steve Trimble. In this week's Connected Construction Tip, we're going to show you how to scan and really how to create contour lines from that scan data in SketchUp. Here you can see we have about 9 scans. We won't include the number 11 because that's where the reference elevation was taken to the floor on the inside, but the rest of these scans are all tied to that, and I can actually start to see the elevation just from on the tablet out in the field. But what I can do is export just the ground that I care about by creating a section box and doing E57 non-structured, and I can bring that directly into SketchUp. That there I can start to create contours off of. The other option I have as well is to do send the points that I create, so I can actually do a floor analysis. And what this will do is create a grid line of points and send those as a DWG or SKP as well too. That's underneath the floor analysis tool there. We have some other videos covering that workflow, but both can be brought into SketchUp. This in this video, we'll just focus on actually just bringing the scan data over. So I would export that off as an E57, bring that over to my my PC with SketchUp on it, and then once I'm in here, I can actually create a ground mesh from this data, which I have actually already done here just by using the SketchUp Studio scan extension. I have that ability to do that. Once I have that ground mesh, you can actually start to see where like these toys have thrown off the elevation or contours. I can clean that up and actually edit it if I wanted to. But in this case, we'll just move on to creating the contours very quickly. So I have another extension also downloaded called Contour Lines that I can select the mesh and then create contour lines every 6 inches, we'll say. And here we have those contour lines. We'll turn off this mesh, we'll turn off the scan data, and you can see there those contour lines. I can then bring those over into, let's say, the layout view and start to dimension them and share them. Obviously, here's where like those toys are, or some trees or bushes. I can clean those up as well too, or just delete them entirely. But that's your 2-minute connected construction scan to contours. Scanning took roughly a little over 20 minutes. Obviously, those contour line creation just took about 5 or so minutes after that. So please reach out to your nearest building point representative if you have any questions. Thanks.